zombie lab. Additional sets sold separately from Spin Master. Teaching Dr. Dreadful will not turn you into a zombie.
Coming up next, it's a new Teen Titans Ghost.
Ah! Who was that?
Why are so adorable?
That was the Halloween spirit who I guess you made mad by saying you were too old for Halloween, so he turned you into little kids or something.
The what spirit?
The Halloween spirit. Behold. Since the dawn of time.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California State Police Department. The Los Angeles Sheriff's Office, in conjunction with the California State Police, have interrupted regular programming to assist in the broadcast of an Amber Alert. An Amber Alert has been declared. 2 children, a boy and a girl, have been abducted outside of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza restaurant in Los Angeles County. The boy's name is George Richardson, a 10-year-old white male, about 4 feet 10 inches, weighing 145 pounds, with black hair and blue eyes. He was last seen wearing a Kobe Bryant jersey with a black t-shirt underneath, with black athletic shorts and white and gray tennis shoes. The girl's name is Megan Anderson, an 11-year-old white female, about 5 feet 1 inch, weighing 106 pounds, with brown hair and hazel eyes. She was last seen wearing a pink top with blue jeans and gold sandals. The suspect responsible for abducting them cannot be identified at this time. Eyewitness reports state that the 2 children were last seen walking around the back of the restaurant at around 6:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you see the children or suspect, call 911 immediately. Do not confront this suspect, as it is unknown what his or her intentions are at this time. Stay tuned for later updates concerning this Amber Alert. This concludes the Amber Alert transmitted at the request of the California State Police.